Algorand is an open, public, and consent-less blockchain with an interesting unadulterated confirmation of stake system. The task looks to grow the conceivable use cases for digital currencies by speeding up exchange speeds and diminishing the time it takes for exchanges to be considered last on its organization. Algorand looks to accomplish these properties through choices that go amiss from how digital currencies have customarily been planned. The organization disseminates the ALGO token with each new block to every individual who holds a specific number of tokens in their wallet. Moreover, Algorand empowers clients to make brilliant agreements and tokens addressing both new and existing resources. Enter the ideal measure of assets you maintain that clients should purchase Algo. You will have the choice of setting a forthcoming request that will execute your exchange once the cost of Algo arrives at a particular level. Also, you can open a moment exchange by tapping on Open Exchange at the ongoing purchase cost. You will then possess the hidden resource, Algo, in your eToro account and can decide to offer Algo when you need to understand your benefits. What is Algorand? Algorand is an open, public, and consent-less blockchain with an exceptional unadulterated confirmation of stake instrument. The task looks to grow the conceivable use cases for digital currencies by speeding up exchange rates and diminishing the time it takes for exchanges to be considered last on its organization. Algorand expects to accomplish these attributes by going with choices that vary from how digital currencies have commonly been created. The most remarkable is that the organization disseminates the ALGO token with each new block to every individual who holds a specific number of tokens in their wallets. Moreover, Algorand empowers clients to make savvy agreements and tokens addressing both new and existing resources. These exceptional elements of Algorand effectively pulled in a variety of adventure financial backers to the early confidential deals of ALGO regulated to subsidize the stage's turn of events. Algorand, Inc. was established by a MIT teacher, cryptography trailblazer, and turning grant victor, Silvio Macaulay. He planned the Algorand stage and a globally perceived group of scientists, cryptographers, mathematicians, and financial experts. Coinbase was established in 2017 with base camp in Boston. Macaulay composed the white paper for Algorand with the assistance of Stony Creek College teacher Jing Chen. The monetary counselor of the Algorand is the champ of the 2020 Nobel Prize in Financial Aspects, Paul Milgrom. One of the fundamental goals of Algorand was to tackle the blockchain trilemma of representing security, versatility, and decentralization. It was likened to the notable understudy trilemma of accomplishing good grades, getting sufficient rest, and keeping a public activity. On account of digital currencies, Algorand has endeavored to offset the pyramid with their brand name unadulterated confirmation of stake and cryptographic sortation lotteries. The public adaptation of the Algorand blockchain is for the most part expected to permit different designers to build new sorts of digital currency-controlled application. The stage has been utilized in different ventures, including land, copyright, and microfinance. Algorand claims itself as future FI as it controls the combination among decentralized and customary monetary models. The most alluring element of Algorand is that it is a green blockchain zeroing in on manageability for the planet with cutting-edge innovation. Because of its remarkable agreement component, Algorand is definitely more energy productive than other blockchains. It has gone further by balancing its little carbon impression by protecting an organization with climate trade. Algo execution. ALGO is the local badge of the Algorand blockchain, which is super quick, versatile, secure, and practically allowed to utilize. Each exchange with ALGO is finished in 4 seconds. Whether it be the first or 10 millions, each exchange will in any case occur in 4 seconds. Each exchange is gotten by a one-of-a-kind unadulterated evidence of stake agreement that drives the Algorand blockchain. Each exchange made by ALGO costs simply a small part of a penny. The Algorand establishment held its most memorable closeout of ALGO tokens and Algorand organization on June 19, 2019, which denoted the authority primary net send-off. The absolute most extreme stockpile of Algorand tokens is 10 billion, and the fluid inventory is 6,613,341,342 ALGO. The ongoing coursing supply of ALGO is 6,148,349,273 tokens. The Algorand establishment, a non-benefit association regulating and financing the improvement of the convention, has given generally speaking symbolic dissemination as follows. 3 billion tokens will be infused into course over the initial 5 years. 1.75 billion tokens will be appropriated over the long run as cooperation rewards. 2.5 billion tokens will be appropriated over the long run as handoff hub sprinters. 2.5 billion will be appropriated among the Algorand establishment and Algoranding. and $0.25 billion will be circulated over the long run as end client awards. Algorand's essential center is to work with directed DEFI undertakings and extension the universes of customary and computerized finance. Algorand has not just collaborated with formal elements like states and national banks, yet it has likewise been home to different undertakings, from computerized protections trades, music eminences, and commercial centers, as well as filling in as the center for the hemp business blockchain. 2 stablecoins, TAI and USD Coin, were additionally sent off on the Algorand network in 2020. Will the cost of Algo go up in 2023? Algorand has consistently had an unstable value direction, and it was featured to the umpteenth degree in 2022's bear market. It was scarcely holding tight over the $1 level when the Luna crash crashed the whole digital currency market, including Algorand's. The symbolic's worth followed to 16 cents, which was nearer to its untouched low. Likewise, all through the remainder of 2022, the symbolic's value execution was not exactly ideal. Also, that was in spite of Algorand strangely being essential for each discussion that featured cost diagrams. In any case, things have turned around for the better this year, with Bitcoins getting more help in the crypto space as bulls attempt to fail to remember the FTX crash and continue on. Bitcoin's siphon channeled onto other digital money projects, Algorand included, and since mid-January 2023, Algorand has seen a rising direction. Yet, that hasn't removed its unpredictable execution. Algorand's presentation on the cost graph is as yet unpredictable, focusing on no amassing. All that we can figure is that assuming Algorand figures out how to cross the 30 cents mark, it might go through another bull run. Notwithstanding, that would be absolute hypothesis as of now, upheld by the specialized examination of the cost outline, something that has shown to be challenging to execute on crypto resources previously. Algorand Value Forecast 2023. Algorand's cost saw a gigantic increase toward the start of January. However, it was less because of its own benefits and more because of the positive market opinion. In any case, bulls are attempting to keep up with its cost. And if that holds up, we could see Algorand climbing further, maybe closer to 45 cents, before the current year's over. Algorand Value Expectation 2024. As the Algorand people group meets up and we see more sure improvements in Algorand, which have dialed back right now, we might see the ALGO cost gaining a bullish force in 2024. That would prompt a cost increment, which wouldn't be explanatory since the market has now developed more shrewd about going excessively bullish about a digital currency. Best case scenario, specialists are seeing that Algorand will go up to 67 cents toward the finish of 2024. Algorand Value Forecast 2025. Major administrative upgrades and investigation will put utility cryptos like Algorand inconspicuous. In the event that dynamic guidelines rise to the top, the cost will accomplish something beneficial. Any other way, it will be another bear season. The hopeful but still sober-minded specialists say that Algorand could climb nearer to $1 assuming everything goes right. Algorand Value Expectation 2026 and then some. The appearance of the cryptographic money market will be different a long time from this point than it is today. Consider the beginning of the web. We anticipate the very level of reception for Web3 advancements until that point. Be that as it may, most administrative measures could in any case attempt